Kia ora te whānau. Today we'll be talking about the T sounds in te reo Māori. This is going to be a short video, so let's get started. So, first of all, we need to know what we call sibilant. Sibilant is the hissing sound, especially when you're pronouncing the T sounds. Now, as an English speaker, I used to make this mistake all the time, and I've been called out by a native saying, hey, you got too much sibilant on your T's. With the sibilant sound, these will sound like this. Ta, te, ti, to, tsu. Ta, te, ti, to, tsu. Now, I hope you can hear the hissing sound, or almost like the TS sound. So, ta, te, ti, to, tsu. Now, it is not all incorrect, because only these, ti and tu, are the only sounds you need to have their sibilant sounds. Rest, you do not. So, if I repeat this again, it will sound like this. Ta, te, ti, to, tsu. Ta, te, ti, to, tsu. So, only ti and tsu need the sibilant sounds. Rest do not. Alright, let's go over some examples and see how we go. Pause the video, Karawhiua, give it a go, and I'm going to go over the answers. Right, first, kōtiro. Kōtiro. Sibilant sound here. Next, teitei. Teitei. No sibilant sounds. Tsuru. Tsuru. Sibilant sound here. Toi. Toi. No sibilant. And lastly, tēnā koutou katoa. Tēnā koutou katoa. Again, no sibilant sounds. If you got that, ka pai. And if you want to do it again, well, I have another set for you. Pause the video again, Karawhiua, and I'm going to go over the answers. Tika. Alright. Taihoa. Taihoa. No sibilant. Tamaiti. Tamaiti. Sibilant sound here. Tuakana. Tuakana. Sibilant sound in tu. Titiro. Titiro. Two sibilant sounds. Ti, ti, ro. Tika. Tika. And lastly, tere. Tere. I hope you learned something new today. Kia kaha te reo Māori, and ka kite anō.